What is going on, guys? Alex here and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is probably going to be one of the most valuable videos that I've ever posted on my YouTube channel, because essentially it's going to be a live Shopify dropshipping challenge or case study type video where I literally take a store completely from scratch, new ad account, new pixel, new store, new everything, launch some products and try and make sales as quickly as possible and hopefully do thousands of dollars in revenue within just a few days. I'm going to show you my strategy that I've been following to get sales and find a winning product as quickly as possible. And I'm going to document the entire process in this single video here. So firstly, I'm just going to highlight the contents of this video, and I'm also going to leave some bookmarks in the description of this video so you can come back to the video at a later date and choose what section you want to watch and learn from again. But I advise to just watch the video through once first, so you know exactly my strategy step by step that I'm following. So firstly, I'm going to cover general store versus one product or niche store and which one you should use and why, because it's really important when you're starting out to know which sort of store to start off with in order to find a winning product quickly and efficiently and not end up wasting loads of money and time on losing products. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do with that. Then I'm going to go ahead and build the store live so you see exactly how I build the store, how I set it up, how I'm using free themes and everything. I'm going to be revealing the Facebook page, the domain, everything's going to be revealed, so it's a complete case study so you know exactly what I'm doing step by step. Then I'm going to go ahead and set up the ad account, so it's going to be a brand new ad account, a brand new pixel and everything, so there's no data or anything. It's completely from scratch, so if you're a beginner, this video is absolutely perfect for you to know exactly what to do. Then I'm going to go ahead and launch and test multiple products to find a winning product rapidly using new automation software. So I'm literally going to show you how you can test literally multiple products super quickly so you can find a winning product as quickly as possible, and also with the lowest budget possible so you're not wasting thousands of dollars testing losing products. Then once I've launched the products, I'm going to wait a couple of days and then go ahead and analyze the Facebook results. So go into my new ad account so you can see exactly what sort of data has come in, what sales we've made, have we made money, have we lost money, so you can see exactly how I analyze my campaigns, my ad sets, and break everything down so you can see exactly what makes a successful product and hopefully find a winning product that we can go ahead and scale. And then finally, I'm going to show you how you can fulfill orders and how to ship fast to customers once you found your winning product, and then go ahead and scale and so forth. So this video is perfect if you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced and want to go out there and find winning products as quickly as possible. And I'm literally just going to outline everything in this video. So without further ado, let's get into today's content. So general store versus one product slash niche store. Now this is where a lot of people go wrong when they first start out. So where people go wrong is what they'll do is they'll choose just one product and they'll become emotionally attached to this product, and what they'll end up doing is essentially spending weeks of time setting up everything, setting up the video ad, the product description, ad copy, thumbnails, all this work, and then figuring out all the Facebook ad strategy and everything. They'll spend weeks doing all this, and then they'll spend a lot of money as well testing the product. That some people even spend $500 to $1,000, and then to find out that the product doesn't even work. So you've essentially wasted weeks of time and thousands of dollars and not even found a winning product, and may have not even generated any sales for your store. So this is where a lot of people go wrong, and they become attached to this product and they end up just wasting more and more time and energy on this product and money and so forth. And then they say things like dropshipping is dead or Facebook's a scam, which obviously isn't true, because a lot of people are successful with dropshipping, but most people just do it wrong, especially when they're starting out. So what should you do? So the best way is to test multiple products at a low budget and do this rapidly. You don't want to be wasting weeks of time. You want to find your winning products as quickly as possible so you can start scaling your product before other dropshippers come in and copy what you're doing. So the best way to do this, and the way I'm going to do it throughout this case study video, is to do it through a general store. Now general stores give you the freedom to test lots and lots of different products really quickly so you can find a winner and then work from there once you've got a profitable product. So I'm going to be using software / apps to massively accelerate this process, and I'll show you how I set everything up in a bit later on in the video. And essentially you just want to rinse and repeat this product testing process, and that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, and then hopefully find a profitable product within a week or a few days, so you can go ahead and scale that product. And then I'm going to show you how to find a good supplier for your product so you can ship fast to your customers and scale your store. Now lately I've seen so many people failing with products and wasting thousands of dollars on testing the wrong sort of product. So this video is going to highlight how to do the opposite, test lots of different products at a low budget and find a winner rapidly, saving a lot of time and a lot of money. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and build the store. So what we're going to do is name the store just a general name, because we don't want to confine ourselves to a specific niche and call our store something like dog products, because then we can only sell dog related products. So we just want to keep a generalized name for now. So I'm going to call it something like Zova Designs, just so I can sell any type of product. It doesn't matter what niche it's in, we can test the product and see if it's a winning product. Okay, so now we've created our Shopify account, and as you can see, it's a brand new store. We've just started our free trial. So first thing to do is go ahead and we've got to amend some settings. So I'm just going to click settings down here and just go on general here, and then just go to the bottom, and we want the store currency to be in US dollars, as it's the most globally recognized currency, and this is what your customers will check out in. Now I'm just going to click save here. And then if we just head back to settings here, just click settings again here. And what we want to do is generate our legal pages, so we can put them on our store and our customers can see our terms and conditions and so forth. So if we just click legal here, and then I'm just going to click create form template here, and essentially it'll generate templates for all our like policies, privacy policy, refund policy, etc. Then just click create form template, create form template, create form template. And then shipping policy you have to write yourself, because obviously it depends on how long your shipping is going to take, but generally I'll put shipping takes 1 to 4 weeks depending on your location. Put something like, if your order doesn't arrive in time, then we'll offer a full refund. Okay, we're just going to click save now, and what we'll do is come back to these pages in a bit when we go to add our pages to our store, to our footer of our actual live store. So we've got all these ready to go. Now we want to navigate back to our settings again, and we just want to amend the shipping settings. It's important that you do this because the default shipping setting is set up that the shipping cost is like $10, which obviously is way too high. And then at the top here, we're just going to click manage rates. Okay, so when you go into your shipping rates, you'll have domestic and rest of world. So domestic for me is the United Kingdom. So we're just going to go in and amend this rate, and you want to essentially make them both the same. And you want to call it first class worldwide shipping, and then you want to put tracked and insured, because obviously that sounds a lot better than just standard shipping. Then you just want to copy this here, click copy, and then when you want to set the rate, I normally charge £5 shipping, just because it adds a little bit extra profit onto your order, as opposed to giving free shipping, so you can charge less on the product and then just charge like $5 or £5 shipping. And then you want to go and amend here, click edit rate, and then paste in the same here, and then just change that to 5 as well, and then click done. And that's your shipping done now. So customers are going to be charged £5 to ship their order, and they'll see this first class worldwide shipping tracked and insured instead of just standard shipping. It's going to make them feel a lot more confident from ordering from your store when they see this here. And then click save. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and generate our pages for our store, so we can put them on our live store. So we're going to click online store here and click pages, and then we're going to click add page here, and then we're going to go call this one contact us, and then we're just going to generate the contact us page template here, and then just click save. And then we're going to add another page here, just click add page, call this one FAQ, save. Because it's really important that you have all these sorts of pages, like your FAQ, your shipping policy, your terms of service, because these act as layers of trust and reduce layers of friction from your customers checking out on your store. Because if you have all these, they're going to trust your store. They're much more likely to buy from you. However, if you haven't got something like an FAQ or contact us page, they're going to think you're a scam, and they're not going to buy from your store. So it's really important that you add all of these pages in. Okay, so the next page we're going to do shipping and returns, click save there. Next page will be terms of service. Click save. Next page is going to be the about us page. Click save. And then one final page is the privacy policy. Obviously we generated the templates for this earlier, so you can just copy and paste what we created earlier in the video. So just click save here. Okay, so now we've got all our pages generated. Obviously we need to go in and fill in these pages, but I'm not going to bore you and cover all that because it will just make this video unnecessarily long. Now, to actually make those pages visible on your live store, you just want to head to navigation here and then just click footer menu here. And then you just want to add new menu item here and then just search for what you've done. So like FAQ, and then just click add there and it'll add it to the footer menu of your store. So the next one will be contact us. And then once you work through all your pages, you've got them all here within your footer menu. Just click save here, and now on your store within the footer you'll have all of these trust pages that your customers can easily navigate to if they have any questions or queries. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and select our theme for our store. Now, by far the best free theme. There's no point in using a paid theme, especially when you're just testing products or starting out. You want to go to explore free themes here. And then by far the highest converting one and the best one is the Brooklyn theme. And so we're just going to click add to theme library here. And essentially the Brooklyn theme, the product pages look so nice. It kind of creates like a landing page type effect like this store here, especially when you're on desktop, and it also works really well and is really fast on mobile as well, which is obviously very, very important. So now we just want to click actions here, just click publish so it's part of our store. Just click publish there. And then we just want to click customize here so we can go in and actually build the store and make it look really good. Okay, so firstly, to make this store and the home page of the store look a bit better, we're going to add in a picture here. So what I've done is gone over to a website called pexels.com and search gadget, just like a general product name, just so we can get like a general store type photo. It's themed to a specific niche. We want it to seem like a general store selling different types of products. So I'm just going to go with this one here. It's quite a cool looking image, and just download this. Now I'm just going to go to slideshow here, just get rid of one of these, just remove this, and then just have one image here. So click select image and then upload. Okay, so now that's uploaded, I'm just going to click save here. If we just check out our mobile view as well there, and then obviously full screen view, which way it looks the best because it's a wide image. So that looks pretty good there. So now we just need to add in a few more bits to our store to make it look a little bit better. And then we can go ahead and look at the apps that we're going to use for our store. Okay, so now I just need to go and create a collection for the products that we're going to be adding to our store later on. So just click products here, collection, create a collection. And I'm just going to name it something general like products because obviously it's a general store. And then instead of automated collection, I'm just going to click manual here, just so we can add our products in one by one, and then just click save, and that's our collection created. Now we just need to go onto our online store here and then navigation and just add it to our main menu. So I'm going to remove this catalog one here, to click remove, and then I'm going to add in the collection that I've just created here, and then just click products and then just click add, and then just click save menu here. So now on our main store, our live store, we've got our products, and then we can easily add products to this collection as you'll see in a minute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and create our brand new ad account and set up the pixel, and then connect our pixel to our Shopify store here so we can start running Facebook ads and testing products, because without a pixel you can't really do anything. So what I'm in now is my business manager, so business.facebook.com, and I'm just going to go into business settings here. I'm going to create a brand new ad account for this case study. Okay, so I'm just going to go to accounts here and then add accounts. And I'm just going to click add here and then create a new ad account. So I'm just going to call it Zova Design, so it matches the name of our Shopify store. And then I'm just going to click currency is US dollar, and then payment method. Just select your payment method so you can start running ads. You need to make sure all these things are set up properly, otherwise you can't launch your Facebook ads. Okay, so once you've created your ad account, what you want to do is set up your pixel. Now, I'm not going to show you step by step how to do that because Shopify show you really well and clearly. All you have to do is go to the preferences here and essentially just go down to the where it says Facebook pixel and then click how do I set this up, and they've got perfect instructions on how to do so. But essentially once you've done it, you'll get a pixel code and then you just paste your pixel code into there and you click save, so you can track everything on your Shopify store and your Facebook ads and so forth. So just follow their help center here. They've got videos and everything on how to set up your pixel, so it's really easy and quick to do if you just follow their instructions. And then I'm just going to click save here. Okay, so now that the framework of our store is built, we're ready to go in and add some products to our store and start testing products to get sales as quickly as possible. Now I'm going to be using a new app which essentially automates the entire dropshipping process and product launch process. So everything like the product description, the ad copy, ad creative, the video ad, the Facebook campaign creation process is all fully automated with this app. So I'm just going to start the free trial here and just add the app. It can be found within the Shopify app store. And I'm just going to install the app here. I'm just going to start the free trial here. It's $20 per month with a 14-day free trial. Now, as you can see, you'll be taken to the product catalog where essentially it's a database of new winning products added daily. So what I like to do is just click this random button here and it will just generate random winning products so I can just see what's in here and what sort of products I want to go ahead and launch on my store. Now, before you launch any products, what you want to do is head over to the settings section here, and essentially this is where you'll connect your Facebook account, your ad account, your pixel and everything to this app. So once you've done that, you can literally just launch dropshipping products with Facebook ads with just a few clicks. So I'm going to show you that exact process now, and essentially you'll be able to save weeks of time and you'll be able to test 5-10 products a day easily with this app at low budget, so you can find a winning product really quickly. So I'm just going to sign in here with Facebook. And here you'll be taken to where you can select your pages. Now I've only got one page in here, the Zova Designs Facebook page for this Shopify challenge, but if you've got multiple pages, then you can just select which pages you want to connect to this app, and then you click next, and then you just click done here, and then it says you've now linked one-click ecom to your Facebook ad account. So you just click OK here and it will take you back to the app. And then what you want to do is just make sure that all your settings are set up correctly here. So you want to have your ad account name here, your pixel or your page name, and then your pixel as well. Make sure they all match so the app works. And make sure you just click update here so it's all set correctly. Now here's the crazy part. In the Facebook ad settings here, you can select what daily budget you want to test your ad sets at. So if you want to do $10 per day, at let's say 7 ad sets, just click update here just so it updates the settings. And then once you've done that, your Facebook side of things are all set up. So all you need to do now is simply go ahead and choose which product you want to test, and you can just launch it just by clicking a few buttons. Okay, so we're back in the database here. So let's say you just want to go ahead and test this product here. So within this Shopify challenge, I'm going to be testing multiple products. So this is going to be one of them here, this electric dead skin remover. I know it's a winning product for some other stores. I've seen it go super viral on Facebook. So I'm just going to click add to store here and just select your collection. So remember that collection that we created earlier, the products collection, just so it goes into my live store. I'm just going to click that there and then just click confirm. And just by clicking add to store, as you can see, the product is now in our store. So if we just check out what it looks like and see what the product description looks like, that's generated automatically for us without having to do anything. So as you can see, we've got a beautiful landing like page product description here with GIFs, really good text and everything, showing the features and the benefits of the product. So that's all done automatically for us. So it's a really lengthy, great product description which should convert really well once we drive traffic to this. So that's the first stage of automation from this app. Now if we just head back to the app and go to the My Product section here, now we've got the product within the app and all our Facebook settings are set up. What I'm going to do now is just click create Facebook ad, and it will automatically generate the campaign for this product and everything will be ready to launch. I'll just show you this now. So click create Facebook ad and then click confirm here. And as you can see, it's creating our Facebook ad automatically for us. And if we just head over to the Zova Designs Facebook account here, this is where our campaign is being created. As you can see, there's no campaign yet. And it usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute to automatically generate our campaign. I'll show you the whole campaign structure and everything in a minute. So as you can see, it says success here for our electric dead skin remover campaign that we've just created. So if we just head over here and just refresh the screen on our ad account, if we just click refresh there, as you can see, the campaign will automatically be created there. So essentially all the work is done. So if we just check out the structure of the campaign, if you can remember, we chose ad set budgets at $10 each. With 7 different ad sets. If we just go in here, obviously all that's generated automatically for us. And I'll just show you the insane part of this as well. So if you just go into one of the ads here, you'll be able to see the video ads and everything that comes with the product. So if we just click edit there, you'll be able to see. And as you can see, magically the ad and everything has been generated for us. We've got our ad copy here, our Facebook page here, thumbnail, all the data in here. And now if we just click play, you'll be able to see the crazy good video ads as well, which come with all of the products. So everything's automatically done for you with beautiful HD quality video ads with text overlay. So what we're going to do is go ahead and use this app to repeat this process with 3 or 4 different products and launch them, and then we're going to test to see what the results are. So we've got our everything set up here, and then also you can go into the ad sets and just check out the targeting. So I'll just go back to the campaign here and then just look at the ad sets just so you can see the interest here. So self-healing, Thai massage, day spa. So if we just click edit here, you'll be able to see all the campaign structure. So it's optimized for purchase, $10 per day budget. Here's the countries that it's targeting, so Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, so all the good countries really. And then the placements of Facebook news feed, Facebook video feeds, and Instagram feed, which are the best placements for when testing a product. And then if we just check out the targeting here, so people who are interested in day spa for this particular ad set. So that product's fully set up now just by using the app and clicking a few buttons. So now I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for 3 or 4 different products, and hopefully one of these products will be a winning product and we can scale it and make money with it. Okay, so I've just come back into the database here, so I'm going to select 2 or 3 more products to test and launch with Facebook. So I like the look of this one here, this electronic cupping device. So I'm just going to add this to store as well and just click the collection that we created earlier. Again, just repeat that with a couple more products. And I also like the look of this invisible height increase. So I've seen some stores doing very, very well with this product. So I'm just going to click add to store here. Just add it to the products again, and then I'm just going to do this for 1 more product. I'm just going to click random here just to see what other products are floating about again, see if there's anything that catches my eye. Okay, so now I've gone over to my product section up here, and as you can see, we've got 4 products now imported and added to our store with the product descriptions and everything. So this one down here we've already created our campaign for. Okay, so I'm just going to click create Facebook ad for this product here, and also repeat that process for this product and also this product. So then we'll have 4 campaigns created. So I'm just going to click that there and just click confirm, and it'll create our campaign automatically for us again. And then create Facebook ad again for this one here. And then finally this product here, just click create Facebook ad. Okay, so as you can see now, we've got our 3 new campaigns processing and automatically creating in the background. So we'll just wait around about 30 seconds and then we'll head over to our ads manager, refresh the screen, and our campaign should magically be in there ready to launch and hopefully start making sales. Okay, so now our campaigns are done here. It says success. So if we just head over back to our ads manager, just go back to our campaigns here, refresh the screen, and as you can see, magically all our campaigns have automatically been created for us. Okay, so now all our campaigns have been created and done automatically for us, and we're ready to launch them. But first we're just going to check out the data and stuff for each product. But for this challenge, I'm only actually going to be testing 3 different products. So I'm going to delete one of these products. It's probably going to be the electric cupping device, just because I prefer the look and feel of the other 3 products. I think they have a higher chance at success and they're higher margin products. So I'll just delete this campaign out here. Could always test it at a different time, but for now I'm just going to delete this one out. Okay, so if we just go into our ads section here, you'll be able to see all of the different ads for the 3 products that we're going to test. So each one's $10 per day, and there's 7 different ads per campaign. So that'll be $70 times the 3 campaigns, $210 for the first 24 hours. Obviously, we're going to switch off the ones which don't work out, but hopefully one of these products can be a winning product. Okay, so if we just check out the ad and everything for the cat product here, so just click edit, just so we can see the video ad, the thumbnail, and everything that we've got for this product. So as you can see, everything's here, links to our store here, so when customers click shop now, they'll be taken to the pre-built product page here, this like landing like page, product description. And if we just click play here, just so you can see what sort of video ad we've got. As you can see, it's a really cool looking video with cats and stuff. These sort of videos stimulate emotion and stuff, so I'm confident that they'll convert to sales. And then if we just check out the data for our third and final product, the height increaser product. Now I know this is a winning product, it's going super viral for some other stores that I've seen, so I think this could potentially do well. And it's also got a huge market for a product like this. So if we just click play here, just so we can check out what sort of video ad we're getting, again, really great video content, text overlay and everything, really selling the product. And if we just quickly check out the product page that we've got for this, as you see, GIFs, really good images and so forth. And also, if you want, you can go in, if you're not happy with how the targeting looks, you can just go in and tweak the targeting and stuff just to polish off the campaign for yourself. So if you just go down, if you want to test different interests, for instance, then you can go and do that there. But for this case study, for this campaign or for these campaigns, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, so all that's left now to do is essentially just click enable here for the 3 different campaigns, and then they'll be in review for Facebook. So we're just waiting approval, and then the campaigns will launch, and then we can go ahead and analyze the results. So literally within just a few minutes, we've gone ahead with this app and just launched multiple campaigns. All the product description, the video ads, the thumbnail, everything's been automated really quickly, so we can go ahead and just test products, get data really quickly, and then work from there and hopefully get a winning product as quickly as possible. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and analyze the results from the 3 campaigns. Now firstly, I've started off with the best performing campaign by far, and that was the cat laser toy product. Now as you can see, after about 48 hours, we've spent around about $140 and returned $519 with an average return on ad spend of 3.73. So it's super profitable at the campaign level. Now out of the 7 ad sets, 4 performed really well, they got sales and are really profitable. So the other 3 ad sets, the ones that didn't get sales after the 48 hours, would go ahead and turn these ad sets off. So this one, and this one here. Just because we want to increase the profitability of our campaign, there's no point losing ad sets running for more than 48 hours. And then the winning ones would go ahead and duplicate these ad sets, especially the ones with the high ROAS, because these have a potential for huge scale. Now before we do any of that, which I'm going to show you in a minute, you want to sort out a reliable supplier, because you don't want to go ahead and scale your Facebook ads if you've got a dodgy supplier or your shipping is going to take ages. So you want to test products at low budget, and then once you've found your winner, like this product here, then you go ahead and scale with a more reliable supplier. So we're going to go ahead and look at that in a bit, but firstly we're going to look at the other campaigns as well. Okay, so here's the results of the second most successful campaign out of the 3 products that we've tested. So it's the invisible height increaser product. So as you can see, we've spent around about $140 to achieve $344 in revenue and an average of 2.46 return on ad spend. So just about profitable at the campaign level. But as you can see, 4 out of the 7 ad sets of these ones here were really profitable. And then there's 3 ad sets that didn't get any sales. So you'd go ahead and follow the same procedure and switch off the losing ad sets, and then obviously duplicate your winning ad sets here so you can scale further. So now we're going to go ahead and look at the final campaign for the products that we've tested. Okay, so here's the last product, and this was the worst performing campaign out of the 3 products that we launched. As you can see, we spent around about $140 after 48 hours across the entire campaign and had an average of 0.86 return on ad spend. So obviously a lot less profitable, or not profitable, compared to the other 2 campaigns. So with a campaign like this, you'd go ahead and just turn off the entire campaign and then focus on your winning products or campaigns. So now we're going to go ahead and talk about the fulfillment side of things, how I'm going to fulfill my orders and so forth, so we can ship the products as quickly as possible to our customers and for as cheap as possible as well. and tested multiple products. Now we're going to talk about and cover how to fulfill these orders in the most efficient manner possible. Now, obviously, with the current situation in the world, global logistics just isn't anywhere near what it used to be. So shipping times are longer, and customers do understand that. So you need to play on that to work out what's the best option for you with regards to getting your product to your customers as quickly and cost effectively as possible. So I'm going to talk about a range of different methods here so you can figure out what will be best for you and your products. So generally there's two types of dropshipping. So there's low sales volume and high sales volume. So when you're just doing low sales, when you're just testing products, maybe you're doing 5-10 orders per day for a given product, that'll be classed as low sales volume. So you don't necessarily have to have really fast shipping or anything for this. You may have to issue some refunds if customers aren't happy with the shipping times, but generally low sales volume is low risk, and so you're not going to risk losing loads of money or getting loads of chargebacks or anything like that. However, when you start doing high volume, like 20-30 orders plus per day, then you want to order in the product from bulk from a company like Alibaba, ship it to a localized warehouse. Let's say a lot of your orders are coming from the US. Then you obviously want to ship in bulk, and I'm going to show you how to do this in a minute, to a US supplier warehouse so you can get your winning product to your customers as fast as possible. Now obviously there's risk involved in this because you've got to order in the products in bulk. So that's why you want to test products at low volume, low sales volume at first, and drop ship it directly from websites like this. Once you've validated the product and you're getting consistent sales on a daily basis and your ad sets or your campaigns are profitable, then you want to transition to this and really get that shipping time low so you can scale with confidence and you're not got to worry about unhappy customers, and you can actually provide a really good service to your customers, and you'll actually get repeat customers because you'll be able to ship in like 3 to 5 days with this method here. So the three main methods here for low sales volume are AliExpress, Spocket, and UDroppy. So obviously AliExpress isn't what it used to be. Things like ePacket and so forth aren't running anywhere near as frequently at the minute, so the shipping times are a lot longer. However, you still can find good suppliers on AliExpress if you look hard enough, and it's best to message the suppliers like I'm going to do in a minute to see what their shipping times are and so forth. Okay, so out of the 3 products that I tested, this one was the most profitable by far. So here it is on AliExpress, and it sells for less than $20, and I was selling it for $45. So there's a huge profit margin and there's quite a lot of money to be made with this product. Now, as you can see, the estimated delivery is the 19th of August, and it says your order will be delivered on or before that time if you place the order today. Now obviously that isn't ideal because that's about 4.5 week shipping time. However, this salad does have great reviews and a really high positive feedback score. But I'm just going to go ahead and message this supplier here just by clicking the contact button here, just so I can see kind of what their shipping times, their fastest possible shipping times are, and also to send some example tracking info from previous orders that they've sent out, just so I get a definite idea of how long the shipping times are. So I'll just put something like hi there. Please could you confirm your fastest delivery time to USA? Now I've put USA because the majority of my orders so far have come from US customers. And I'm going to put also, please could you send some tracking numbers of previous orders sent out. Just put thanks. Now by sending out that message, we'll be able to get a much more clear idea of how long it's actually going to take to ship this product out to customers, because ideally we want it to be quite a bit faster than this. Now another method is to use different websites to fulfill your orders. So I'm on Spocket at the minute, and here is the cat laser toy here, our winning product. So I'm just going to click here just to see what the shipping costs are, how fast and so forth. So it ships from China in 8 to 14 business days, and it takes 5 to 7 days to process. So let's say it takes 5 days to process and about 10 days to ship. That's going to be about 15 days to get this product to our customers in the US. And also, as you can see, the product is actually really cheap on here. So it's only $16, and it also ships for just 14 cents. So the overall cost is going to be about $16 to get the product to our customers. And if we're selling for $45, that's like a 3x markup on the product. So you could definitely be very profitable with this product. So far, this will probably be the best option with regards to shipping to our customers. Now, I'm just going to check Udroppy website as well. And I've searched cat laser here on udroppy.com just to see if they've got the product on their site. Now, it looks like they don't have this exact product. They've got different sort of cat lasers, but it doesn't look like they've got this exact product. So for this particular product, I'm probably not going to be able to use this website. Now, if we just refer back to this page here, so for low sales volume, in this case, I think Spocket will be the best option with regards to shipping to our customers. However, by far the best way as you scale or build a brand, you want to use Alibaba to order in the product. So now we're going to head over to Alibaba to see what we can get this cat laser toy for, how much quantity and stuff, and how quickly we can ship it to somewhere like the US. Okay, so now I'm on Alibaba.com and I've searched cat laser toy, so our winning product, just to see kind of what the prices are in here and how we can, if we can ship it to like a US fulfillment center and get the product out to our customers really quickly. So here's the product here, the cat laser toy. I'll just see if there's any others. So there's another one here. This one's a bit more expensive, so I'll see what other options are available. And there's this one here. It's only $10 per unit. You can even put in your own logo here to obviously brand your store as you start to scale your winning product, which is really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and check out this one here just to see how much we can order. So as you can see here, the minimum order quantity is 3 pieces, and obviously the more we order, the bigger the discount will be. So let's just say we wanted, say, 50 units. So as you can see, for 50 pieces, it's $520. So let's just, and the shipping cost to the US for all those pieces is $223. Now, if we just go here just to see what other shipping options are available. So obviously we don't want to use this because that's 9 to 15 working days, and it's more expensive as well. So this is probably the best option, Express UPS Saver, 6 to 10 working days and just $109 for all our orders. So if we just click confirm here, as you can see, the total now is $629 for 50 units of this product. So it works out about $12 per unit to ship it to the USA, and it takes just 6 to 10 days to ship that. So this would be a great way, once you've validated your product, to do this. I'm going to show you some websites in a minute where you can ship your products to, and they'll fulfill your orders for you. So if we're selling it for $44.99 and it works out at just $12 per unit, that's a pretty crazy profit margin. You could even reduce the price as you scale to get more orders. And you can also contact the supplier here just to verify that this is a legit supplier and just get them to send some recent orders and stuff that they've done. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and look at a range of different websites or businesses where you can ship your products to, so you can have a localized warehouse to fulfill your orders for you and get about 3 to 5 day shipping time for your customers. Okay, so once you've found your winning product, you've validated it, and you know you can scale it profitably, and you've found your product on Alibaba and want to ship it in bulk to, let's say, the USA, here's a range of good businesses where they can essentially automate your fulfillment process within their warehouses and get your product to your customers really quickly. So I've given 4 examples of some good companies that I've used for shipping your products quickly to your customers from a localized warehouse. Now, it really depends on a few different things, such as your order volume or the type of product you have. This will determine, obviously, if you've got a bigger product, then you're going to need more warehouse space. So take into account the cost per square meter of warehouse space, and obviously if you've got a really small product, then you're going to take up less space. It's going to be cheaper to store and fulfill your orders. So you need to bear all these variables in mind when you're choosing your supplier or your fulfillment center when you're scaling your winning product. Okay, so once you've found your winning product and validated your product and you've got your shipping and everything, the logistics sorted out, you can go ahead and brand your store, make it look like a much better looking store, and niche the store around a specific interest rather than using the general store all the time. So in this case, with a cat toy, you could turn this store into like a pet related niche store, so you can get customers to buy more different products related to their interests. And as you can see, this website here called Pet Interests or petsinterest.com is a great example of a well-branded niche store and revolving around pet-related products. So this is what you essentially want to aspire to as you scale your winning product. Now, if we just go ahead and look at the whole process that we've spoke about in this video, just to conclude this video, so you understand my strategy with how I'm currently dropshipping. So what you want to do is test multiple products at low volume, as you've seen earlier. And by far the fastest way to do this, as you've seen earlier on in the video, is to use the one-click ecom app to essentially automate the entire product testing process, so you can find your winner and validate a product really quickly, and then go ahead and scale your store. So then once you've validated your product, you've got sales, you've got profitable ad sets and so forth, and you know you're getting consistent sales, then you can go out there and find your best possible supplier and essentially ship the product to a fulfillment center, in a localized fulfillment center, so you can get the shipping time as low as possible. And then once you've achieved all this, then you want to go and scale and brand your store like the store I've just talked about, the pet related store, so you can increase your average order value and your customer lifetime value and really blow up your store. But while scaling this store, you still want to keep your general store, so you can keep testing multiple products, so you can line up your next winning product, and then essentially just rinse and repeat this process. So whilst you're scaling your winning product, keep testing products on your general store as well at the same time, just so you can find that next winning product, and then you can essentially run multiple stores in one go and scale multiple winners at the same time. Okay, so thanks for watching today's Shopify or challenge or case study type video. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you've learned a lot with regards to how to start your dropshipping business, test multiple products, and find your winning product that you can scale and make money with, and do it in the best way possible, so you keep your customers happy and are not wasting money on dodgy suppliers or anything like that. Now remember, I've left links to all the apps and everything within the description of this video, and also you can check out the timestamps for the video, so you can come back to this video if you're struggling with any part or need to just watch it again. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notifications turned on, because I've got loads more content coming very soon. I'll see you in the next video.